Uh-oh, here comes a fireball.
Kaboom! Oh my God! That's it!
Whoa, who threw that?
Get out past me!
Go right there. You can't miss him if you hit off in that direction.
Oh, almost.
Catch it!
Almost. Whoa, that was close. Yeah, what's up with that? Michael, you can't go that far back, cheater. Can't pass the tree. Hey, you can't pass the tree. Watch out! Ooh. It didn't get you. Whoa! Oh, I get to catch my breath. I'm getting too old for this. Can't pass the tree. Oh, watch out!
Oh, we have the chance.
If you get tired, you're the best player in there.
What is he doing?
Who has it? Oh! She has it! You guys are like trying to make that a secret.
Oh! What an arm. That kid throws it so high.
Make it a secret. Oh, no, secret. Make sure they don't find out. Oh my God. That is so past that. They're past
That was not past the tree.
supposed to pass that small tree.
No, they're not. I don't know why they're all cheating over there. Oh,
I told you.
that's here. You want to sit?
No, I'm good.
He got his tonsils taken out. That's why he can't. He can't come in.
Ice cream.
What are those two coming?
Nathaniel, get him.
Oh, you're out.
Yeah, you're out of there, Nathaniel. You dropped the ball.
Yep.
Oh, you're out.
You're out.
We got it.
I got it on tape, buddy.
Then we will. Okay. Sore loser.
Can't pass the tree. Oh boy, yeah, oh, I missed that one.
Secretive.
I missed that one. Michael, look at that tree. You cannot pass it. See it?
Oh.
Whoa! Oh! You got the gunslinger out.
Come on, Richard. Come on, Richard. Get that birthday boy.
Oh my God.
Richard.
Go further, you can't pass me.
Don't listen to him. He didn't want him to catch it.
I'm in the game.
No, you're not. Get out.
Connor, get out.
Get out of there, Connor.
Connor, get out. I'm gonna win. You're supposed to get out of the game, Connor.
Oh, you're out again.
He's not a dog. Go down his leg. Yeah.
Is she out?
She's out.
She's out. Oh, Rick, I wish I could help you, buddy.
Come on. Oh, gee.
You serious?
Nice try.
Oh, almost.
Come on, team captain. You got to come through for us.
Well, he was the team captain.
No, he is. He is.
Come on. Free for all. Go. No line boundaries. Go for it.
Get him!
Come on. Go get him. Go get him.
Throw it in the air.
Aren't you guys too far?
Hey, get up here. You cannot pass the tree.
I'm not.
Almost.
Whoa! Kevin, throw it. Hey, you want to play catch or
You're out. What are you doing? She dropped the ball. All right. If this one misses, we call off the line thing for the rest of the game. Means you can go as far as you want. All right. Line boundary's over. Go.
You can go up and hit him.
He missed. It's Ricky's shot. Ricky's turn. No, it's Ricky's turn.
Run, Kevin! Run!
You can go. Go.
Run, Michael!
You can go all the way up to this tree. Out.
Michael, you're good! It's only you! No, your turn. His turn. Bring it on! Not your turn.
It's Michael's turn to throw.
Not your turn.
Michael's turn to throw. Give it to Michael. No, he ain't.
Go, Michael, get him!
Michael, you can go all the way up to him. Got him. Oh, man, they won.
Now it's 3 boundaries. Kids
For the whole game? Not for the whole game.